Welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to look at blue screen and chroma key. So what's the differences between blue screen and chroma key? Here's just a basic idea. Blue screen works well with darker color, like dark blue or dark green, and chroma key works best with any color. It can be darker or light color. And in this case, we have this video here, we have the green color. So again, blue screen here, chroma key, you can see two chroma key, the advanced and the basic. And this tree works well with Despill. We're going to look at why we have to use the Despill. So first, let's try each of these. Let's go with the blue screen here, apply that, and we have the light color. So it's not going to do a good job for us. Simply pick the color picker here and click onto it, and you can see it doesn't do a decent job of what we want. You have the distance to color here. You can try that, but it does not give you what you want. You still have this, you still have this, and all the spill around here. So it looks like this is a lighter color. It does not work well with that. So let's remove this and try the Chroma King Advance. When we try that, you can see you have the color picker here. Again, when you put in, it does a nice job with the main subject, but you still have this color, green color around here. And this is what we don't want to. It's around here. More of this spill on the edges here or this one here. You can use the parameters here to adjust that. But to make the work fast, let's move on to the Chroma Basic King. So let's apply that, and we have the blue screen color here. And when you use the color picker, we just click that, and you see it does a really nice job. So you can use the variants here to adjust that according to your likings. If you want that, just bring that back again, and all this. Okay, now you can see that you still have some more little greens around the edges here. That's where the Despill comes in. So when we apply the Despill, you have different parameters here to adjust that, and you have a nice little, all the green remove using the Despill. Okay, so that's how we can use these three colors together. It's just simple basic there, but thank you again for watching, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed to us, and thank you again for all those who have subscribed. Please help us to reach 5,000 by the end of August. Thank you again for watching, and see you back again in another video.